Hello friends, 5 emergency bullet points from global food providers in Panama. Number 1, my greatest weakness is raising funds to feed widows and orphans. It's just not easy for me to ask. Number 2, we love feeding kids and training leaders out here in the third world. It's our passion. It's what drives us every day. Number 3, since the COVID nightmare fiasco 5 years ago, we lost about 60% of our funding and our budget was crunched hard. Now, while we've survived and kept our nose above water, we have from time to time emergencies that would normally be covered in the budget, but now they're here and they're real. Number 4, we have a piece of plastic 200 feet long by about 20 feet wide, which was ripped off through a windstorm this last week. As you can see, there's no plastic up there, and we need to get this replaced. It costs $1,800 for all the employees, the paint, the welding, the replacing, the big roll of plastic, all of that, $1,800. We put the request out later this week, but zero finances came in. Now, here's the problem. Insects are coming in right now, and they're affecting the plants. And if I don't get this covered in the next 5 days, the plants could be wiped out by insects, and it could be a 5-month recovery. You can only imagine how long that would take for us to sit around, twiddle our thumbs, and wait for the new plants to grow and full recovery. So we have an emergency on our hands, emergency, and we would appreciate your donations and partnership. And until that budget is raised and we get all of our partners and teammates built back up again, we could sure use a one-time shot or a partnership with you. Number 5. Proverbs 19:17 says, "He who gives to the poor lends to the Lord, and he shall not lose his reward." In other words, God pays his loans back, multiplied over. Our current partners are highly blessed and can tell you of God's favor on their lives because they give to the poor. And I want to encourage you that anytime you're able to give to those who could never give back to you, God sees it and God rewards it. He brings it back so that you can always have seed to be a sower towards those who could never give back to you. We appreciate any donation you could possibly make to help us through this little micro emergency. There'll be a link below, and as you pull it up, you can either pay through PayPal or through your credit card. And if you would like to make a monthly donation and become a partner, a teammate with us, where you and us working together to get this done for the kingdom of God, just click the button that says make this a monthly donation, and it will become automatic every month. We sure appreciate you. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll see you soon.